Okay, great leaders, let us consider the third aspect of our substitution, still on multiplication of variables. Multiplication of variables. In the previous class, I mentioned to you that 4y means 4 times y. This should be in U. And I said also 3 times x means 3x. You should have all this in U. That will help you deal with problems in substitution having to do with multiplication. Let's consider some other example today still on this aspect of multiplication. If you're giving x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, m is equal to 3, and a is equal to 4. Find 1 jam, 2y minus 2y, let me use 10y minus 3 yam minus max. Let's deal with that. Solution. Let me start with number 1. Number 1, they gave us jam. From what I've mentioned to you here, as 3 times x is 3x. 4y means 4 times y. It means that jam means y times a times m. That's what it means. Jam means y times a times m. Y times a times m. Your name. For example, if your name is Eva, Eva simply means E times V times A. If your name is Praise, Praise simply means P times R times A times I times S times E. If your name is Ayomide, Ayomide means A times Y times O times M times I times D times E. Can you see that? So these are the different ways we can express our names. So in your name, the sign that you have in between your name, the letters of your names is times. That is the sign we have in between the letters of our names. We have the times. So jam, which is Y-A-M, is simply written as y times a times m. And from the question here, they have given us our y to be 1, our a to be 4, and our m to be 3. So I'll simply write the numbers. I'll replace the letter by the numbers now. My y is 1 times my a is 4 times my m is 3. So I have 1 times 4 times 3. 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. You can write your 4 in 3 places and count your sticks. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 because 4 times 3 simply means 4, 4, 4. 4 in 3 places. Count your sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. That is why we said 1 times 4 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now look at the next number. So your jam is 12. Your jam is 12. Let's look at the next number, number 2. 10y minus am. 10y means 10 times y minus am means a times m. That will be 10 times 1 because y is 1. Now they gave to us the y is 1 minus a is 4 times 3. A is 4 times 3 I'm going to change this number, please. Let me change this number quickly. This will be 15. 15. 15y. 15y. Here we have 15y. Good. Now, so we have 15 here also. Y. I don't want you to have a negative result. So we have 15 times 1 times 4 times 3 minus 4 times 3. This will give us 15. Minus 4 times 3 is 12. Now 15 take away 12. Your answer will be 3. So our answer is 3 in that number 2. Let's quickly do number 3. Jam plus max. Jam plus take away max. Jam take away max. Jam take away max. So we've already done jam. Jam gave us 12. But let me still write it out. This is y times a times m minus m times a times x. Let's put it. We have 1 times 4 times 3 minus 3 times 4 times 2. So here we have 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So what we have here is 12 take away 24. 12 take away 24. At your class, quickly, if you are taking out a big number from a small number, if you're taking out a big number from a small number, of course you know it is not possible ordinarily, but it's going to be possible in mathematics. So if you're taking out big number from a small number, turn it. Take out the small number from the big one first. Get your answer. But the answer you're going to write, put a minus sign at the front of the answer. For example, if I ask you what is 5 take away 6, 5 take away 6, you can see a minus sign is already attached to the 6. 5 take away 6. You cannot take out 6 from 5. So turn the equation. 6 take away 5. 6 take away 5, your answer is 1. But that 1 you're going to write. Put a minus sign at the front like this. Good. Put a minus sign at the front. That will become minus 1. That will become minus 1. So right now, if you turn this to become 24 take away 12, your answer will be 12. But put a minus sign at the front. Put a minus sign at the front of 12. Your answer is minus 12. So 12 take away 24, your answer is minus 12. 12 take away 24, your answer is minus 12. That is your answer. Why? Because ordinarily 12 cannot take away 24. But since you now choose to turn the equation to be 24 take away 12, the answer you're going to get should have a minus sign because you turned the equation. So you carry a minus sign because you turned the equation. That is why your answer is minus 12. So we have succeeded in solving the problem given to us here to deal with. We have succeeded in solving them, and here are our answers. Here are our answers. They are not difficult questions. Now, you are going to do this for me. I will change these numbers. I'm going to change these numbers, and you put the right numbers, the right answers for me in your own case. That will be 2, and here will be 3, and here will be 3. So carefully use that to solve. Use these numbers that we have here. X is 2, Y is 1, M is 2, and A is 3. Use these numbers to do this problem for me and get the right answers. Get the right answers. Follow my example that I have on the board and get the right answers. If you're done, forward your answers to me and I'll give good comments to your answers. Remain studious and see you in our next class. Thank you.